Alright, welcome back to a brand new video. Talking about the program. We look at the palm fixation drill. Alright, you stand up and they do it. Alright, anyhow, also, again, Ethan came home today. He was so tired that he fell asleep on the toilet. I'm like, dude, you've been on the toilet, you've been in the bathroom for a whole hour, actually more than an hour to get up. He was like, well, I fell asleep. And he went straight to bed. So which tells me that, again, he's getting up in the middle of the night. Again, I keep telling her to turn off the internet. She came in today, she was like, listen, you're not supposed to be on your computer. And I took away your tablet. And, and I'm saying to myself, I've asked this woman to do that for years, that before she go to bed, that she do not go to bed before the kids. And when she go to bed, that she take away their electronic devices, or she turn off the internet. And she would do neither, right? Because she would stay in bed watching her videos, right? While the kids were still up, you know what I'm saying? Playing their games, or on their tablet, or what have you. And I would call her and ask her, hey, can you go check on the kids? Oh yeah, I'm going to check on the kids. And I call in the morning, check on the kids? Nope. Then got to go pick up Alyssa from school. She's sleeping all day in school. She's got them late to school again. So it's like I said, she'll only come in and do that when another person tell her the exact same thing I have been telling her for years. Then she'll come in and want to, act as if, that's what she's going to do. But it doesn't last. It doesn't last. It'll last a day or two, or 3 days, not even 3 days, a day or two, and then she'll go back to being who she is, right? She'll go back to ignoring all of that and such. So, and like I tell her, for 3 straight weeks she's been going out, and I told her, I said, listen, this is what happens. So I can't say nothing to her anymore because she's stuck on stupid. She doesn't learn. She keeps repeating the same thing over and over, expecting different to happen, and it ain't happen. It's the same shit. She gets sick, right? You know what I'm saying? Or and what more can I say? She ignored the fact that she has a lot of issues with her health, right? And so, you can't care about a person who doesn't care about themselves, right? In the sense that they only care about, themselves in a way that, that they get pleasure or fun out of it, and that's it, So they're not about building anything. They're about tearing men down, particularly, again, being unsupportive. And she had been supportive, as I have been supportive to her, things would have been a lot better, right? I could have finished college and, hopefully get a job. And I'm a TI, or hopefully get a job, computer engineering, and, what I'm saying? Take the kids off her hands. But that's not what she was thinking about. She was thinking about herself and what it is that she wants, and wasn't thinking about me or the kids. And so, hey, it is what it is. And I can't even go back to school now. They've been talking to me so hard and so heavily that if I even attempt to go back to school, it's going to get much worse. I know, because the same thing happened to other TIs. And there were TIs who, there were these TIs, there was a TI, there's a guy and his mother, and it was both of them, I think. She had 2 sons. She was a TI, her son wasn't a TI, but her sons believed her. And her sons went to school, one went to school for psychiatry, and the other one went to school for law, okay? And then they started targeting her sons, right? So they are going to do things to the people around you who are trying to help you, and that's what makes it hard for us as TIs in terms of to get help, right? And then again, like I said, they'll take away your social support, they'll manipulate you and people around you so that you won't even ask for help, right, from your social support system. Because again, it is meant to make it look as if you're not doing it. Like, you're not asking for help, you're not asking for any sort of support, anything like that. It's to keep you from applying for certain things that like for disability, if you're injured and stuff like that. It's to target you so much that you don't, it's if you want to, like, lately, taking a shower, they'll start targeting me in the shower. You know what I'm saying? They'll try to prevent me from taking a shower, So that's why I take take chlorophyll. The chlorophyll is a natural deodorizer, body deodorizer, stuff like that. So, when they start attacking me, and I get into a slump where, I may not bathe for 2 days or what have you, sticking from in the house and not doing anything, I take chlorophyll because it's a natural body cleanser. The sirens going on. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right. See, as soon as the siren, what does she do? Walk up, take a puff out of a cigarette. All right. Again, that's what they do. I'm showing you guys exactly what they do. So yeah. And I was watching a video today, and they were talking about. There you go, down there. Nice flashing. Oh, no. There you go.
So what? Well, I'm getting ready to get on the bus in a little while, so I have to put down the Those are not my recent classes.
And she walked by in an orange sweater, sticking her finger in her ears. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. So why you think they're why you think they're parked up right there? Huh? Why you think they're parked up right there? Are they by the boys and girls? They went into, I don't know, but it's right by where the boys and girls are, right? That's what they do. That's what they do. Oh, look, they're in my predator department down there. Flashing their light. He nasty. He's finished taking a piss and look, he's touching all his face and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? That's the shit that they do, yo. And they know I'm gonna go walk over there because I'm about exposing shit. Dude just finished taking a piss and putting his hand all over his face. I want you to understand how nasty motherfuckers are. Just took a piss and touching all over his face. Nasty ass. He's a perp.
By the policy.
You know what I'm saying?
By the super lives that have already living there, so that's a concept called Zion.
Okay, that's the religious fanatics. They are nasty. They are nasty. Let me tell you. They are nasty. All right, and they'll be in church talking about cleanliness is next to godliness. Look at the shit that they do. Anyhow. They do it in the red shirt, walking back and forth. Look at him. The red shirt over there, keep walking back and forth. Anyhow. But yeah, so what they'll do too, the reason why they're over there by the boys and girls is particularly when they get Pam to target me, right? They try to get me to be angry and be like, fuck it. I just, just make a list and go to the boys and girls by herself. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that either. Oh, by the way, when I came in, when I picked up a list from the boys and girls, got back into the apartment, they had a young teen. He walked in behind us as we went for the elevator. He turns and he looks at the list, right? And he did it twice. So I said, I said, try it, and it will be the last thing that you'll ever do. Okay? And after I said that, yeah. You say it? You are put it to the department. Again, doing these threats. Yeah, listen, they know what they did, and I know what they did. Alright? So, like I said, I'm not running from them. I'm not afraid of them. I'm about exposing what it is that they're doing. Yo, homeless dude. Just walk by. Yeah, she's looking at it. She's looking at it. The homeless theme. She look at the homeless guy and start looking at me. Fuck, you looking at me. See, when they do it like that, I'm gonna curse at them. I ain't cursing her because she walked by, but I'm just saying right now, the fuck she looking at. You know what I'm saying? But again, I want you guys to understand what it is that they do. Okay? And I'm going to fight them in every inch of me, every part of me. I'm going to fight them. Because it is a war that they started. And again, that's what they say. They say, oh, you want a war? You keep talking about this, you're going to get it. Well, guess what? I keep talking about it, so bring your war. Because all you're doing is giving me enough proof and evidence to show exactly what it is that you're doing. And people know exactly what it is that you're doing. Okay? And people are not going to be disillusioned. They're going to know the reality. They're going to know the truth. Right? And then you're going to have something to worry about. All right? The hypnotism is going to wear off when people start realizing the truth. Right? The brainwashing is going to wear off when people start realizing the truth. And when they do, it will be for the betterment of society. Right? Because people are now going to focus where they should be focusing on, which is those at the top, those in positions of power, those in corporate, okay, who have killed tens of millions of people, right, in various ways, who have created division within the society, within, and even the black people with division within black people, and they do it through the churches and the school system. Okay? So, yeah, I'm pretty stoked about what it is that I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? It is my purpose. It's a purpose they'll try to prevent. Just like anything, when you have a purpose and they manipulate you and they try to take that purpose away from you, you find another purpose. Okay? You find another path, right? It may not be the path that you originally wanted, but you find another path. Right? And so this is again, you know, they put me on this path. They helped put me on this path, I should say. And ultimately, you know, like I said, when they try to target me, when they were targeting me in the beginning, they were like, "Oh, we're going to use technology to bring them down." Well, guess what? I'm using technology to bring you down. Okay? Yeah. All right. Now, again, it's early, so I don't know. You know, but again, the reason why the bus is taking so long is because, again, they are setting up their perps on the bus to engage in a whole bunch of stuff. You know? So, yeah. Exposing them in the right way, showing you guys how nasty they are. You know? What it is that they do. Oh, a fire truck is still parked up there. It's still there. Oh yeah. Anyway.
Canada and America, a lot of social media that came over to.
I gotta say nothing. I just want you guys just to, if it's coming through on the audio and the video, just listen to the nonsense that they say. Right? Listen to the nonsense that they say. It'll give you clues. It will give you clues. Right? It will give you clues.
That's where you have what's called design these policies.
Looks grown ass man. Look at him. Grown ass man got his pants hanging his pants below his ass. Dysfunctional mindset. Right? Like I say, you know, if dudes my age doing that, I mean, still doing that, it's, you know, it shows. You know, we gotta wake our people up, man. Oh, 2 buses. How you like that? How you like that? How you like that? Anyhow.
Yo que no hago esposa vos.
Hey, man. Hey, man, can I have a chance, please? Thank you.